to Ida's Kitchen. Bienvenidos. My name is Ida Lugo McAllister, and I am going to demonstrate how to prepare chocolate banana ice cream. What do you do when you have very ripe bananas? I normally prepare banana nut bread, but I wanted to try something different like ice cream. Not just regular ice cream, but chocolate banana ice cream. These are the ingredients for this recipe. 3 bananas. These are very ripe bananas with numerous brown spots on the skin. 16 ounces of heavy whipping cream. 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk. 2 chocolate bars for hot chocolate. This is a very popular brand in Puerto Rico, Cortez, but you purchase the brand of your preference. And mini semi-sweet chocolate chips. Let's start preparing the chocolate banana mixture. Let's melt the chocolate bars. Place 2 chocolate bars along with 2 tablespoons of water into a saucepan over low heat. As the chocolate bars begin to melt, stir frequently until the chocolate is fully melted. The melted chocolate has a silky and smooth consistency. Remove from heat and let stand to cool for several minutes. These are very ripe bananas. They are much sweeter than the regular yellow bananas. The skin has a mixture of yellow and brown spots. I am going to cut off one end of the banana to peel it. I will also cut each banana in half. Place them in a bowl. With a wire masher, repeatedly press down until the bananas are completely crushed. We will later blend the mashed bananas with the melted chocolate for a smoother consistency. Using an electric mixer, add the mashed bananas and the melted chocolate. This electric blender has 3 speeds, low, medium, and high. Mix the ingredients until well blended using the low speed. The banana chocolate mixture has a creamy texture. Pour mixture into a small bowl and set aside. We are ready to start making our chocolate banana ice cream. In a large mixing bowl, pour 16 ounces of heavy whipping cream. Using a hand mixer, beat until stiff peaks are formed, starting with the low speed setting and gradually increasing the speed. the whipping cream is getting thicker. And here you have stiff peaks. Let's pour 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk. Mix both ingredients at low speed until well blended. We can now add the banana chocolate mixture. Mix until a smooth consistency is formed. Since I love chocolate, I am going to add 1/3 cup of mini chocolate chips and gently fold into ice cream batter. This is optional. You can also decrease or increase the quantity of the chocolate chips. The last step is to pour the ice cream into a container that holds 1.75 quarts. Let's spread on top evenly. Cover container with a tight fitting lid and place in the freezer overnight. After freezing overnight, we are ready to scoop some creamy and delicious ice cream into a bowl. Look how creamy. This simple recipe creates such a creamy ice cream, bursting with banana and chocolate flavors. If you wish, you can sprinkle nuts on top for a crunchier texture. An excellent treat for the summer. You no longer have to throw away very ripe bananas, and you can also use the number of bananas to suit your taste. Ice cream is creamy, and you can definitely taste the bananas and chocolate. The chocolate chips, and if you add nuts on top, will provide some texture to the ice cream. ¡Qué rico! I hope you have enjoyed watching my YouTube video on how to prepare chocolate banana ice cream.